farm is growing, but not enough space. We need more rows. Lots more veggies. Aha! The traffic! Whoa! Heavy! Now, how does this big noisy thing work? Yes! We have ignition! Woo! Whoa! Tricky steering! Almost got it.
We're free! Time to make some dirt fly!
All right, new rows, here we come. Gotta go slow, gotta go steady. Perfect line. See, Puddles? Teamwork. Whoa, bumpy. Just a little rock surprise. Whew. Small obstacle. But not for Max. And we're back in business! Easy there, Puddles. Careful around the big, noisy machine.
Good Duckling! Farmer needs focus.
Almost a perfect turn. Next one will be perfect. See, practice makes almost perfect.
2 rows. That's a good start.
Keep it going, Max. Soon, a whole new field.
Peep! Mud is fun. Best digging ever.
Oh, Puddles! You'll need a bath later, little farmer.
Almost there. Good work, Max. A little treat for my best helper, Puddles.
Banana. Yum. Soon, this will be full of deliciousness, Puddles. All right, more rows. Let's finish strong.
Beep.
Good Puddles, keeping me company. And Muddy. Look at that. Getting somewhere now. Last row. Must be perfect for the new carrots. Done. All right.
Look, Puddles, our new farm space.
Peep! Amazing, Max!
So much space.
Soon, sweet corn. And big, crunchy carrots. Good job, team. Farmer Max and Puddles. Surprise, Max! Puddles Did you do that on purpose? A long day's work, Puddles. A good day.
Tomorrow we plant.
Go, Max, go! What's this? Not a pig, not a goat. Uh-oh. This is not good. Quack! Quack, quack! Look! Look there!
A baby!
Don't struggle, Joey. We're coming.
I'm scared, Max. It's pulling me down.
Where is it? We need a strong branch or some vines. Something sturdy. Keep looking, keep looking. Easy, little one. Max is here. We'll get you out. Got it. This'll work, I think. Eat me, mud! Okay, new plan. Hold on, Joey. The Joey. We did it! You're safe!
Are you okay, little friend? No more mud for you.
Quack! Slowly, slowly. We'll get you somewhere warm.
There you go, safe and sound. A new friend, Ducky. We did good. Ooh, ooh, ah. Good morning, world.
Another perfect day for farming, Pip.
Come on, Pip. We need to check the tomatoes before the sun gets too high.
Looking good, little one. Almost ready. Ah-ooh.
Is there?
Bigger than my whole head.
Ooh, ooh, ah.
Thank you, Mother Nature.
Ooh, 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 ah.
Time to harvest. This is gonna be big.
This is tougher than it looks.
Don't you worry, Pip. That's a big one even for me. Good effort, though.
Aha! Brains over brawn, right?
Almost lost it.
So heavy. But worth it. So worth it.
Almost there. Almost. Ooh. One down, many to go. Many to go. Ooh, ah. Look at these beauties, Pip. Uh-oh. Come on, you stubborn wheel. We made it!
My magnificent harvest. All mine.
Hard work, but good work. Uh-oh!
My beautiful bounty.
Now for the best one.
Perfect.
Try some, Pip. Fresh from the farm.
The best tomato ever. Ooh, ooh, ah. That's all for today, folks. Good night, Pip.
Little ones.
Oh no. Too wide. Cross. But how?
Heavy. Longer. Yes.
Careful, little one. Perfect. Almost.
Soon. Stay!
Good job, Max.
Good work, good day.